National Weather Service in Norman has issued a flash flood warning for west central Johnston County in southeastern Oklahoma, Love County in southern Oklahoma, northeastern Jefferson County in southern Oklahoma, Murray County in southern Oklahoma, Carter County in southern Oklahoma, Garvin County in southern Oklahoma, northwestern Marshall County in southeastern Oklahoma, southeastern Grady County in central Oklahoma, eastern Stevens County in southern Oklahoma, until 7:15 a.m. Sunday at 1:07 a.m. Up to 1 inch of rain has already fallen. Additional heavy rainfall is expected over the next several hours with up to 3 inches of additional rainfall possible. Some locations that will experience flooding include Ardmore, Pauls Valley, Sulphur, Davis, Marietta, Lone Grove, Eagleton, Linwood, Wilson, Stratford, Dixon, Ringling, Springer, Elmer City, Velma, Vacaville, Katy, Dory, Foster, and Gene Autry. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.